Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina. Pasukan rudal menyerang 9 titik kuat dan area konsentrasi pasukan dan peralatan, serta 1 baterai Ukraina BM-21 Grad MLRS dan 1 baterai artileri pada posisi menembak di siang hari. Unit artileri Kremlin membidik dan mengeliminir 26 pos komando, 78 titik kuat, 359 area konsentrasi tentara dan peralatan dan 67 posisi tembakan artileri. Serangan mengeliminir lebih dari 280 tentara Ukraina. Juga menghancurkan 43 unit senjata dan peralatan militer musuh. Sementara pertahanan udara Rusia dalam semalam menembak jatuh 10 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina di dekat Veselo, Borsevo dan Balakleya di wilayah Kharkov, Kislevka di wilayah Kherson, Mayak di wilayah Zaporozhye, Dokuhaiv, Korsun dan Hanzinkovo di wilayah Donetsk, serta dekat kota Lugansk. 2 rudal taktis Tokau ditembak jatuh di dekat Petrovsko di Republik Rakyat Lugansk dan 1 roket Smerk dihancurkan di dekat Donetsko. 1 jet tempur MiG-29 Ukraina telah ditembak jatuh dalam pertempuran udara di dekat Slaviansk. Secara total, 146 pesawat dan 112 helikopter, 683 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 281 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 2.756 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya. Juga 316 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 1.234 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 2.563 unit militer khusus kendaraan angkatan bersenjata Ukraina dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based missiles have hit 38 Ukrainian military facilities. Among them, 4 command posts, 30 strong points, areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, and 3 missile and artillery weapon depots near Pervomayskaya and Ilyichovka. Also destroyed 1 OSA AKM anti-aircraft missile system and 1 battery of multiple rocket launcher near Arkangelovka. Operational tactical and dummy aviation of the Russian aerospace forces have hit 27 strong points, areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 1 missile artillery weapons and ammunition depot near Chervonaya Zaporozhye region. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 160 nationalists and up to 26 Ukrainian armored vehicles. Missile troops have struck 9 strong points and areas of concentration of manpower and equipment, as well as 1 Ukrainian battery of BM-21 Grad multiple launch rocket system and 1 artillery battery at firing positions during the day. Artillery units have hit 26 command posts, 78 strong points, 359 manpower and equipment concentration areas, and 67 artillery firing positions. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 280 nationalists and up to 43 units of Ukrainian weapons and military equipment. Russian air defense means overnight have shot down 10 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Veselaya, Borshova and Balakleya in Kharkov region, Kislevka in Kherson region, Mayak in Zaporozhye region, Dokuchaev, Korsun and Kanzhinkova in Donetsk region, as well as near Lugansk city. 2.U tactical missiles were shot down near Petrovskaya in Lugansk People's Republic, and 1 Smerch rocket was destroyed near Donetskaya. 1 Ukrainian MiG-29 fighter jet has been shot down in an aerial battle near Slavyansk. In total, 146 aircraft and 112 helicopters, 683 unmanned aerial vehicles, 281 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,756 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 316 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,234 field artillery and motors, as well as 2,563 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.